In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create both simple and complex workflow automations and AI agents using the powerful AI capabilities of SMS-iT Workflow. What truly sets SMS-iT Workflow apart from other automation platforms is its unique ability to let you effortlessly build and edit workflows using artificial intelligence. To begin building your workflow or AI agent with AI, click the Build with AI button. Here you can view your previous AI conversations and configure the AI model you want to use for creating your automations. If you're unsure exactly how your workflow should look or if you need guidance, you can start by simply conversing with the AI. Alternatively, you can directly paste your workflow specifications into the chat field, and the AI will immediately begin building according to your instructions. When the AI finishes creating your workflow, it will clearly explain each step and process included. If you're not satisfied, you can easily request adjustments, and the AI will refine your workflow until it's exactly what you need. Once you're happy with your workflow, click on Open Workflow to review it visually. At this stage, you can manually edit your workflow or use the Edit with AI feature to further enhance or modify the workflow. Remember, certain nodes will require you to configure credentials before they function properly. If you're unsure how to do this, simply ask the AI assistant for guidance or click Open Docs to access step-by-step instructions. Creating workflow automations and AI agents with the help of AI significantly reduces manual effort and eliminates the need for extensive technical expertise. Now, anyone can easily create advanced, robust workflows, even without prior technical knowledge. Let's demonstrate this by creating a workflow automation using AI. I'll paste my requirements directly into the chat, and let's see how quickly and effectively the AI builds the workflow. And there it is, completed in just seconds. Keep in mind that the quality of your workflow heavily depends on the large language model you choose. Selecting a high-quality LLM results in superior workflow performance. Let's try building another example. Currently, you'll still need to manually complete certain fields within the nodes. However, we're actively developing improvements to have the AI automatically fill out these node fields for you. This feature will be available shortly in our next release as we continue enhancing our build with AI capabilities. Our goal is to enable our AI to build workflows and AI agents more effectively than even the best human experts. As you continue creating workflows, the AI continually learns and improves, delivering increasingly intelligent and accurate results. It's important to note that providing clear and specific instructions yields better and more precise workflows. The clearer your request, the more accurately the AI can match your exact requirements. Conversely, vague prompts lead to more generalized workflows. To illustrate this, let's build a complex workflow using a vague prompt and see how the AI responds. I'll paste my less detailed request into the chat now. Here's the result. Remarkably good for a vague request. Had the instructions been more detailed, the AI would have built a more intricate and tailored workflow, rather than this straightforward one. This concludes our tutorial on creating workflow automations using AI in SMS-iT Workflow. See you in the next tutorial.